First and foremost, pinkies up and get down with the patriarchy right now, baby! Allow me to reintroduce myself. I am the man that can only be known as the killer. I am the man that is, in fact, Kyle Blizzard. And I am your Go Wrestle Powerweight Champion. And I stand in this ring with just one question. Why is it with everything that I have done for Go Wrestle?
Here we go.
Everything that I have done for Go Wrestle. I have fought, I have scratched, I have clawed, I have literally bled for this company. I have trained their students, I have done everything they have ever asked me to do. And the only thing I have ever asked them is to not put me in the ring with Mikey Spandex. And why is that? Because fuck Mikey Spandex, that's why it's that. I don't like you, Mikey Spandex. Everything about you is wrong. Look at you. Look at your shiny little pants.
He's amazing.
Look at your little soggy abs. All right, get some real abs. All right.
You don't use your abs.
Where are your abs? What you got on?
You don't know that. Actually, you know what my problem is with you, Mikey Spandex? It's very simple. You're not on my level.
Where are yours?
You're not on my league. In fact, Mikey Spandex, you're just this fucking tall. All right, buddy? He's just this tall.
I'm still a little taller.
So here's my deal, Mikey. You want this match tonight?
He's not
You want
short,
this fight
you're just
with
extremely
Kyle
tall.
Blizzard? You think that you deserve a shot at this? Do you guys think that he deserves a shot? That's what you guys think? So everyone in this room is a little bit dumb? Is that what I just... I thought better of you guys. I really did.
Thank you.
I really did. I wanted to believe that you guys are more on my level and less on his level. But that's fine. But that's fine. But the deal is, Mikey,
He's not even that
the deal is very simple.
Thank you.
He's
I have a
not
surprise
short, you're
for you
just freakishly tall.
I have a surprise for you.
Oh, yeah?
And that surprise
I love how it's evil.
is really going to change everything. I think it's going to help you understand your place in the world. It's going to help you understand why you don't deserve to be in the ring with me. And that surprise is Tony Devito, baby.
Why does he look so tall after too many minutes?
You shut up!
Sir, get your man titties out of
What's that? Huh?
chicken shit! She's What she said was
Yeah, baby.
No one's over there.
Mikey.
No one's over there either.
Bye-bye,